Weekend review, looking at the euro and just kind of getting a sense for what I want to do this week. And I want to look for sales as of this point. Why? Well, here's the daily. Look at last week's videos, but I certainly went short, closed it out wrong, lost money, but whatever. We broke this low here and we stayed below it. And if you look, this is huge because we came back into this zone and we would not accept it, pushed all the way back down to close below. And this is a big deal to me because now I'm going to the weekly. We have been in this range for years and we have closed below this low here on the weekly. And this is because right here, this close below it is because we tried not to. And on Friday, we slammed back down and closed here. So that to me is showing that we are continuing and we have been in a downtrend. So lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, came up here, didn't quite even make it past here, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, below the line, close, 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 3 days of close with a major attempt to come in and a push down. When I go in the 240, we didn't clear this last high. So even when we were racing back up in, we never had a change of structure here. And we certainly haven't broken this major high yet. And here's that piercing one. Now, when I go in the 60-minute, you'll see that what I find interesting is this is a clean channel to draw here, and we came up above, we couldn't make it, and we're coming back in right now. And how are we coming back in? We could probably kind of see it here. On the 15-minute, we have a head and shoulders. So we have a head and shoulders. I'm just using a rough neckline here, and we are consolidating under it. So I'm going to go the 5-minute just to show it. I'm looking for a break here. We could retrace, come back up. But if we retrace and come back up and start showing collapse, or if we break this low and we don't break this neckline here of the shoulder, I am looking to short, looking to short, looking to short. We may even gap way down here, and I'll have to look for that. Targets on this are clearly these new lows down here. A break below this low would be wide open field all the way down to this last support zone on and lower and last low on the weekly. It looks nothing on this chart, but last week I got burned, kind of hoping we get all the way there without anything messing me up. But all those lows I pointed out are within this wick. So a break below that last one would be in this open field here, which we're talking years. The daily doesn't even show it, right? If I go back for the year. So below this go. And if let's just put a little extender on here, just as far as how the head and shoulders would play out. And yeah, that puts us right at this low. So super simple, target this low. Let's see what kind of risk reward that would be. Let's say we get in somewhere here. We don't even get ideal. We break this low here. We don't wait for, let's kind of get a bad entry or a conservative entry. We put it above here. We're still looking at over a 1 RR. And that's if my stop's way up here. If we show something that would put us here, we're now looking at 1.5, 1.6. So, and that's just this one here. I'd probably leave some of it on to get down into this one as well. So net, very much looking to sell should price action confirm on the euro based on just how we have been in a downtrend on the weekly, lower low, lower high, lower low. We closed below this last major low in the kind of range we've been in. We refused to get above it. We got smashed back down. We did it by over jumping a channel, forming a head and shoulders, and that head and shoulders neckline has been broken, and we are now correcting right below it.